Welcome back to Mason's ADV. Ride along with us as we explore off the beaten path, head out for some adventure bike camping, and keep you updated on modifications and new gear for adventure riding. Be sure to click that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any adventures. Glad to have you along for the ride. Hello everybody, welcome back to Mason's ADV, where I share our stories and hopefully inspire your adventures. Now, it's March 1st, and I am trying to get on a little bit here with some maintenance. We are running through winter, we're getting through it now, and it's just about time to try to get the bike ready here for spring. But while I'm having a tidy up out here, because it's an absolute disaster, and getting on with some of this maintenance, I think what we'll do is I'm going to give you guys a little bit of a tour around the Toronto Motorcycle Show, which happened last weekend. Just show you some of the stuff we saw down there. It was really cool to see some of the new motorcycles, especially in the ADV segment, that we'd been waiting for a while. They're finally out, they're finally there on show, and we were able to go and sit on them and check them out and have a look around. So I'm going to put that in here while I get on with the shop, and I will talk to you guys later. So there's the Toronto 2020 Motorcycle Show in the books. Good show. They did a great job down there. Thanks for putting that on, everybody. And I figure we've got about 3 or 4 weeks here before we can get the bikes out. It feels like spring right now, but I think it's just teasing us. So I'm going to keep working on this, and what we're going to do is I'm going to put together the videos of the trip I did last year with Melon and Benham, And you guys watch that while I'm working on the bike, and when spring breaks, we're ready to go. So thanks for watching, guys. If you're still riding, ride safe, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye for now. Hey guys, if you liked that video, hit the thumbs up button for us. It goes a long way towards helping out the channel. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button in the upper corner for new videos every Sunday. Be glad to have you along for the ride.